Hey everybody.
Welcome back to the channel. We are Why Don't We Go?
And this video is about our review of Hyatt Herald Square in New York City.
Yeah, located in Midtown, New York City. So we hope you enjoy it and stay to the end and we'll give you our final thoughts.
So here you go. All right, Hyatt Herald Square. We are on the 11th floor. We've got 1106. Most of the rooms very similar. Some have one bed, some have two. We are sharing the room with our mother-in-law, so we've got two beds, so there won't be a couch in there. We're on 1106. Oh. And I think she's dead now. Okay. We do have the bathroom. Actual nice shower. We stayed here last night. They cleaned the room and reset it for us. We have pharmacopoeia, sundries, so shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. Decent storage here in the bathroom. Nice stand sink. Plenty of towels. Doubled up on TP. They do have some hanging hooks here. And yeah, so you're looking at tile in here in the kitchen. Looks like an LVP product. Throughout the main, we do have a ton of luggage. So we're talking 3 full-size bags and 3 carry-on or luggage pieces and 3 carry-ons. But we've got 2 queens set up here. Over here, we've got multiple US plugs and the light switch. And then you've got a couple different places of putting your clothing. There is an ironing board. You've got a safe, TV here. This one I thought was a little different. This is your refrigerator. But they have stocked it for us with some bottled water, which is lovely. Nothing up top. So, and then over here you do have your getting ready area. A little bit more storage, your coffee maker, and a drawer down there, more hanging. You've got your AC unit here. And again, some more US plugs. You do have USB ports in here, in addition to some more US plugs. So that's the room, and we'll see you soon. Okay, we gotta go get ice. This is a little problematic for us. As you know, we're on the 11th floor. Ice is down on the C floor. What is C, you ask? Cellar. Also known, lady, as?
Basement.
Awesome. Basement. Stay tuned. So the ice machine, as you can see, 12 stories down. But on a good note, what else is down here? You've got the gym. Let me set this down for a second. Excellent. Got the room key. There we go. So the gym, you've got filtered water, towels, you got free weights here, bench, you got some balls, mats hanging up. You do have a stationary bike. Looks like you got 3 treadmills and 2 elliptical machines, and you know, if you want to weigh yourself, you can do that here as well. So that's the workout room. Hey, well, thanks for making it to the end, and now is our final thoughts. So this was, we stayed there as we were coming back from a European cruise vacation, and we had a layover in New York. We decided to make a night of it and do 24 hours.
2 nights.
Oh yeah, 2 nights. There you go. So 2 nights there. So we had a full day in New York. My first real time in New York, not quite yours.
I haven't been there since I was 16 years old. And then we were with my mom, who moved from New York, from Long Island, when she was about 15 years old to California. So it's her first real time back.
Yeah.
So we just kind of wanted to see New York City, kind of Midtown, which is where we stayed, see a show,
Yep.
go to Times Square.
So we'll get a video out about what we all did. We were in Koreatown, went to a show, went to a lovely dinner, had a couple nights there at the Herald Square. But what'd you think of the hotel?
Overall, it was great. Liked the location for what we wanted to do, and room was a little bit small, but you know, compared to other New York City hotel rooms, it was fine. They did have a nice rooftop. We unfortunately didn't get to go up there at night to enjoy a cocktail or anything because we were tired.
Yeah, we got in that first night, and to your point, we went and grabbed a bite to eat and crashed. And then the next day, we had an early flight out, and so we didn't do the rooftop that night, but we got that daytime view for you. So the room's small. What'd you think of the amenities of the room? You did mention that the towels were phenomenal.
Yeah, I don't usually call out, you know, hotel room towels, but they were quite nice. You know, a good size and soft. Again, the shower didn't have a little foot thing so you could shave your legs. I don't know why that's so hard, but other than that,
yeah, the location was fantastic. Here's the little map of how far it is away from Times Square and the show place. We saw Moulin Rouge. Yeah,
we
I
were
thought it
able
was
to walk everywhere.
Yeah, we did one little subway just to experience the subway, but not because we
It's
couldn't
like 2
walk
blocks, so.
Yeah. So one thing, the reason we stayed there is because we are Hyatt members, and we were able to use points for that. So how many points did we use for that?
It's a category 5, so I think it was 20,000 points a night. But if you look up the rates, you know, they're going to be different times a year. But it was definitely over a 2.5-cent redemption value for those points, so that made it definitely worth it.
Yeah, I think it was, to your point, a great hotel, great location. The point redemption was fantastic. So would I recommend this hotel? Most definitely. To your point, the room was small, pretty small for 3 people, but it was bigger than most rooms we were finding in the New York City area. So it worked out quite well for us.
Yeah.
All right. Well, thanks so much for watching, and stay tuned for more videos.
Thanks so much.